pertandingan besok kami bisa memberi yang terbaik buat bangsa Indonesia dan bisa memberi kado buat Indonesia di ulang tahun Indonesia kemarin 17 Agustus. Terima kasih.
We are here to try to give our best. As I start to say, opponent team have the former coach from PSM, know very well this team. They have strong team. They now have another striker that not play against us in the first match when we play against them. I just ask that tomorrow it's going to be 11 against 11 and Kuala Lumpur against PSM Makassar. I don't want to feel that on the game that we are playing against two teams. And sorry to say this, I have already some experience in these competitions. And if I am the referee, making this game Kuala Lumpur against PSM Makassar in AFC home, if I must make mistakes, I'm going to make mistakes against PSM Makassar. And I'm not stupid. So I just ask to the referee to make a fair game. For if we win, if we draw, if we lose, wherever, that we feel that if we lose, that we lose against Kuala Lumpur without any help. Also, I don't want the referee help us. I want a fair match. I want a fair game. I want to feel when finish the match, if we go out, if we lose, I want to feel that my players give everything against Kuala Lumpur, not against two teams.
Bismillah, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Tentu harapan saya buat pertandingan besok semoga bisa berjalan dengan lancar, bisa berjalan dengan baik dan kami bisa memberi tontonan yang baik buat supporter dan kami para pemain. Tentunya saya akan terus memberi yang terbaik buat tim PSM Makassar dan memberi 1000% buat pertandingan besok untuk PSM Makassar dan semoga kami bisa mendapatkan hasil yang terbaik untuk pertandingan besok. Terima kasih.
We play this match against Kedah. If you're going to see, second yellow card of Agung and second yellow card of Uren, it's 200% good decision. But the first yellow cards, many doubts. Special Agung, many doubts. I think if was same situation, if you're going to see the game against Kedah, same situation, there are many players that have same or worst and don't have yellow card. I don't have nothing against the referees, man, but I just want the game fair, you know. So to answer your question, we must find a new solution because these two players play all the matches. So maybe I put the goalkeeper that not gonna play there as a central back. I don't know. Let me see. But we must arrange a new defensive line. And for sure tomorrow we're gonna play against 11, win 11 against 11, and the opportunity that the player that gonna play, it's an opportunity good because he's on AFC. So means that there are one or two players that have a possibility to play, and I hope that they make a good game, and we hope that tomorrow we can make a fantastic game because for tomorrow have chances we must be very good because opponent team are in a good moment also. They win the last match and play at home of Kuala Lumpur on this base. It's very important to make a almost perfect game to have any chances.
Tentu saja ini adalah suatu sejarah buat kami kami sangat merasa bersyukur bisa sampai dengan saat ini di final zona Asia. Semoga di pertandingan besok kami bisa memberi yang terbaik buat bangsa Indonesia dan bisa memberi kado buat Indonesia di ulang tahun Indonesia kemarin 17 Agustus. Terima kasih.